Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn I love my India. So, class 3, okay, GK, okay, chapter 5, I love my India. And what are the symbols are there in India? So, dear children, as a Indians, okay, we should love our India. Okay, so we can talk more and more things about our India. Okay, so dear children, we all love our nation, but do you know we have some symbols of pride? These symbols are called national symbols. So, dear children, for example, peacock, lion capital, tiger, tricolor, lotus. So, these are the symbols in our India has selected. Okay. So peacock is the national bird of India. Okay. In any country if we see, so they have different countries are having different peacocks, different symbols. Okay. So in our India only is selected so national bird of peacock. It is a very wonderful peacock. See, peacock is the national bird of India. And you see, lion capital. The picture above is one of the national emblem of India. So, dear children, for example, any one police officer, any army jawans. So, from one country to another country, if the person goes, okay, they keep here. So, they cadre under. So people can easily recognize. So he belongs to the Indian government. This police officer belongs to the Indian government. Okay. So you see the police also you see police or any army people, military, everybody you see their caps. Once if you observe the caps also, there will be this one lion capital will be there. So truth emphasis. Okay, so this one. So lion capital. The picture above is of the national emblem of India. So this picture is national emblem of India. You see the tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. National animal of India. You see? No. For example, any question will come. We say only which is our national animal. We say immediately we say tiger. We say which is our national bird. If any general questions will come, we say peacock. Okay. Which is our national flower? Lotus is the national flower of India. You see lotus. What a beautiful picture. Beautiful flower. You see. So you see that tricolor. Okay. So tricolor is the national flag of India. So tricolor. We have three colors. See 1, 2, 3. The Dharma Ashoka Chakra is there. Oh, so different countries having different flags. So our India has a three colors. Okay. So between so Ashoka Chakra is there. So this is our Indian flag. So tricolor is the national flag of India. So dear children, you write now. So now peacock number 1. Peacock is the national bird of India. Bird of India. Okay. Second one you see lion capital. Lion capital. Lion capital national emblem of India. Okay, national emblem of India. Okay. So the third one, tiger. You see, tiger is the national animal of India. Tiger is the national animal of India. This one, okay. Number 4, tricolor. Tricolor is the national flag of India. Flag of India. See number 5, lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Lotus is the national flower of India. So dear children, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5, please you can write it down in your copy. Okay. So dear children, so we all should respect all Indians. Okay, all Indians should respect the national symbols. So these are the 5 punch. So these are the 5 symbols we must respect. If you don't respect these symbols, you will be the tiger. Okay, so we should not kill. This one also, peacock also, lion also, lotus also, frog also. So we should not stamp. Okay, for example, if it is sometime, we should not see any dustbins falling on the roads. So stamping on the flag. No, these are the not acceptable. Okay, so peacock also we should love. We should not kill them. Okay, we should love them. We should respect them. Okay, tiger also, see, and lotus also, flower also. Should love the flower also. Okay, so that's what they have given. All Indians should respect the national symbols. They have given here also. See. Okay. This one, all the students should memorize the national anthem in the morning assembly. Okay. So dear children, so they have given activity time. All the students should memorize the national anthem in the morning assembly. So every day we should sing a song, the national anthem. Every day in the morning, before coming to the school, before coming to the class, we should do the assembly. Okay, we should sing a song, national anthem. Okay, then we should respect. Then you come to the classroom. Okay, thank you so much today. Then next class again we will meet. Thank you so much. Yes.